What's up, everyone? We are headed to the, and whenever I say we, I mean I'm headed to the last Cars and Coffee at the Suncrest Towne Center, Morgantown, West Virginia, and getting ready to go meet Andy at the Circle K there in Delslow, and I guess we're all going to roll out together. But so hopefully it clears up a little bit today, and things start to look better. So we'll see you when we get there. All right, we're pretty much here, so let's see where everybody's at. Not here yet. Yeah, that'll give me a little bit of time to restart my PDR, because I'll just put in the SD card and it won't automatically start when the car is running, so got to do a bit of a reset. Come on, guys, it's 9:30. See, 9:30. Wow, it's no biggie if they're a little late. I figured I was going to be a little late. And what do you know, right there he is. Oh, one of them. No, there he is. Nope, maybe. Yep. So do we got any more? Yes, you're on camera. Get used to it. You're gonna be a star. Yeah, you pulled in. I said, oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, how you like mine? So yeah, it's funny. You pulled in. I was like, there he is, and then I saw him pull in. I was like, no, there he is. He's running twins. Is that dude coming with the Camaro or?
No, probably not.
Oh, okay.
I was just going to run in, grab something to drink, and then we can cruise.
All right. Go get you something to drink.
Need anything?
I'm good, man. Thanks. All right, guys, and we are off. We'll see you when we get there. All right, we made it here. We're some of the first cars here, so let's check it out.
You want to go for a ride, just up and around?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, geez, he wants me to take the camera is what he wants to do.
I don't know what he wants. Good luck.
Putting me in a death trap.
It's not that bad.
All right.
Hold the door.
What is it?
I'll tell her to grab the door for you.
I think he's got it.
Yeah. And here we go.
Should I stall it just so I can?
Yeah, sure.
It's been a while since I've driven the manual.
So am I gonna lose my hat or no?
No.
All right.
You should be right.
Can't be losing my hat now.
Yeah,
The hat's like a part of me.
It's not that fast.
What'd you say this was? About 350?
Yeah, 350 to the wheel.
Okay.
All-wheel drive, manual, so engine crank, maybe 4.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's just a fun driver car. I have more fun driving this than any of them when it runs.
Yeah, these seats are actually pretty comfortable, man.
I want to get new ones. They're faded. This car, I can't even remember last time I drove it with the top up.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was gonna get on a little bit more whenever he came around, then I was just like, let him go. Last time I raced some kid who was up there at the top, we were pulling out of one of them night meets, and he thought he was gonna gun it and go around, man. I was still in second, about, I don't know, 3,000 RPMs, and I used it.
Prime spot.
Gave it the fucking sauce, and it didn't last too well for him. I like the turbo sound. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, dude. That seems a little bit more than 350, dude.
Nah.
That's got some fucking juice.
It's torquey.
Yeah.
That's only to like 6 grand. Well, over rev missing third there for a little bit, but
Yeah, that was fucking nice, man.
like I said, it's been a while. Actually, the last 5-speed I drove was right-hand drive, so I did it all left-hand.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it definitely seems a little more violent than what mine is, man. But mine being that dual clutch, everything's gonna be so much smoother. You know what I mean?
It's so much technology. The drive-by-wire stuff modulates everything you do with
Yeah,
your
oh, I
foot.
know. Yeah,
This thing, I'm just wide open.
yeah.
Let it eat.
I mean, you got this. You know what I mean? So that fucking makes it a little more fun, man. Oh yeah. Bet the cops love that, hearing that go by a little bit. That rod's pretty good, man, with that all-wheel drive, man. You know, it pretty much takes off and goes.
Yeah, I can't launch this one because not everything's welded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when like the drag car and stuff, we weld the differentials, so
Oh yeah.
one wheel spins, they all spin.
Well, that makes me feel safer.
Well, this, if one wheel spins and then it grabs traction, that's when it breaks the input shafts.
Oh yeah.
Got it that time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, the States will show up at the car meet and be like, "Yeah, we got you on camera doing some pretty messed up shit."
That's all right. My buddy's driving it home, so let him get it.
Yeah, there you go. Well, that wasn't me, that was him. That was some good shit, man. Well, I hope the mic on this camera's picking that up. I figure it will be. It's like you get like getting right next to their window. It's where that fucking blow off valve hits. I would do the same thing. That's some good shit, man. Like, yeah, good shit. Oh yeah, dude, I appreciate it, man. It's pretty fun.
The guys wanted to know if I had keys if I needed to leave.
Nope.
Something went wrong. The guy with the vet was gone. We were going to rely on the guy with the help.
Yeah. I don't know which one's yours.
Like, yeah, good stuff. Well, let's look at these cars here. Well, we already know what this is about. Yeah, that's
Pretty fucking awesome. Scat Pack. The old Z06er. Really nice Hellcat. Look at this. Nice Lotus. Wow. That is sweet. Heck yeah. It's a Lotus. Yep. That is sweet.
Man, that's a seats just mold around you.
Heck yeah.
Not much to it.
I wouldn't be able to get in and out.
That's the problem.
Yeah, it's awesome. What year is this, man?
2005.
2005?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a 2005 Lotus Elise. It's got a 1.8 liter Toyota engine in it.
Heck yeah. That is sweet. Oh yeah. I bet. What's the horsepower on that?
It's only 190 horsepower, but it weighs
On a go-kart.
It weighs,
Yeah.
it weighs less than 2,000 pounds.
Heck yeah.
So
You don't mind? I feel and put you on my YouTube. Okay. Awesome, man. Yeah, that is awesome. So your top, does it fit in the trunk, or do you have to leave it at home?
So I have a hard top that I leave at home, and then it has a soft top, but I didn't bother bringing it because it's going to be a clear day. But yeah, the soft top rolls up and it fits in.
Oh, okay.
The trunk. Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
But the hard top does not.
Heck yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. So it's got an all aluminum chassis and it's a fiberglass body.
Heck yeah.
5.78.
Yeah, that is sweet. That's one of the first ones I've seen up close. You know,
Yeah.
I passed a couple on the road, man. Heck yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Heck yeah. Long time no see, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. How you guys doing?
Good. We're gonna come over and check your wheels out.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, everybody's been loving it, man.
Yeah, I like the black wheels better.
Yeah, me too, man. Heck yeah. How's it going, man?
Pretty good. How about you?
Oh, pretty good. Pretty sweet cars here today.
Yeah, not a bad start, man. Not a bad start.
Is this yours?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's black one.
Okay.
It's cleaned up.
That's pretty sweet. 911?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is pretty dang sweet.
07 Career S.
Oh, Carrera ass.
It's so dirty. I just haven't been using it so much this summer because I got a Corvette too, and I've been fucking around with it more.
Oh, yeah, a newer one?
Yeah, well, no, it's a 75.
Oh, there you go.
I've been screwing around with it more than I have this car.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, when it comes to some of these classic car shows, this car doesn't get a lot of respect, kind of, you know, because the Porsche sometimes doesn't fit. But the Corvette, everybody thinks, you know,
Yeah.
has a little more activity going on, with interest and all in that car. So, plus I kind of like to drive that Corvette a little more because it's more of a muscle car.
There you go, yeah.
You know, it's got some sound to it and everything. So-
Right, right.
But this one's a cruiser. If you would just want to go out and go fast in the car, that's the one to have.
Oh, yeah, that's really nice, man.
If it picks up and goes.
Heck yeah.
But what are you doing, man? Just getting some tape and
Getting some video
getting
from
some
my YouTube.
opinions.
And yeah.
That's good. That's
Heck
good.
yeah. Yep. Just out enjoying the day,
This
man.
car here, a buddy of mine's, you know, whenever you look at it, they have these kit cars.
Oh, yeah. Is that what this is?
This is a real one.
Oh,
this
it's a real one?
Real, yeah. This car is something that you're not going to see very many of because they only built so many of them.
That is badass.
Yes, it is. It's 427. I mean, it's set up. Car's real badass, man. It's a race car.
Oh, yeah.
You don't see anything laying around in this car that has anything to do with, you know.
Wonder how many times he burned himself on them side pipes getting in there.
Well, this guy's pretty particular about everything, you know.
That would be my first issue. every time I get in and out of it, I would end up burning myself.
Yeah, whenever you're filming this car, man, you'll not see another one because they're rare. That's a 6-figure car right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's badass.
And he bought it because he always wanted one and he had an opportunity to get one and he just jumped on it and that's that.
Well, hell yeah. Get another look at these.
Yeah, me too. You too, sir.
Yeah. What's the horsepower on that, man?
A little over 1,000 supposedly.
Oh,
I've
Jesus.
never had it on the dyno. It's still pretty mild. It runs all right.
That's pretty awesome, dude. Oh yeah.
What's that there?
Heck yeah.
Yeah. Doors unlocked if you want to look inside. It's
Yeah.
really nice. Original interior. Extremely nice. I know them all.
Well, I'll wait till dude's done taking pictures over. Oh, heck yeah. That is really nice. Hell yeah.
Buying or selling a home is a big deal.
But that thing will cook.
It's one of the largest financial transactions you're likely to make. So you work
Oh yeah.
work with your best interest in mind. Someone who agrees
Oh, I
to
love the red on this
I
Camaro.
had one of those.
honesty and fairness every step
I
of
had
the way.
8,000 miles on it.
Realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors and are bound by a strict code of ethics that requires they put your interests above their own. Because that's
Oh yeah.
who we are. Make sure your agent is a realtor.
Sweet Camaros.
Jose stands tall atop a sustainable flooring company.
It's renewable and with
Yeah, another look at this Camaro here. Hell yeah.
This is the radiator. That's the
Intercooler. Yeah, that's badass. Yeah. Fur charger. It's pretty sweet. I like the black and the gold. Dream makers. ZL1. That's badass. Well, the black and the gold really pops. Nice Cadillac too. Heck yeah. Nice C8 Z51 with the Stingray R package. Oh, I like the two-tone seats too. And that red mist. It's so good. Hardtop convertible. So I wish mine was kind of a hardtop convertible, but the top still comes out, so that's a plus. Man, that red mist looks so good. Heck yeah. Awesome. Cool truck. Heck yeah.
a lot.
It's
A lot
awesome.
of love.
Oh, that's street dangerous like stuff. That looks like street dangerous.
Heck yeah.
That other one.
Cool paint job on it too. That's awesome. That's a sweet Z06 right there. Heck yeah. And that thing is sweet. Very good shape. Heck yeah.
Ask your doctor about prescription Xelgens. Visit Xelgens.com or call 1-844-XELGENS.
Hey guys, it's Alexinio broadcasting live here from the Suncrest Towne Center and the
That's
very
awesome.
last Morgantown Cars and Coffee.
Pretty sweet. And we got a C4, which is pretty dang sweet as well. This is actually almost exactly the same car, not the actual same car, but the first Corvette I've ever rode in. White and everything. Thing would cook. That is awesome.
You like it?
What's up, man? I remember you from last time, dude. I got that blue Z06.
All right.
Yeah, it's right there, man.
Yeah. You were leaving when I pulled up the last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, my cousin, he just bought a E-Ray.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he bought the new E-Ray, and it's got you see 400 some odd horsepower with the regular motor.
Yeah.
They got that electric motor in there.
Yeah, those will rip, man. Yeah, they're fast. Yeah.
That's the Z06?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
All the emblems on the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, I just put me some new wheels on it.
Did you take those off?
Yeah.
Did the carbon fiber off?
No, it didn't have the carbon fiber on it. They were just titanium.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is what I was.
I took the factory wheel off of this one too.
Yeah, I love this
It
chrome.
came with the gray, the satin silver,
Yeah.
or the black. This one they made 277 out of this car here.
Oh, yeah.
277. This is one of the 277.
Nice.
It's called Twilight Blue package. It's got the blue top.
That's
All
sweet,
the top on
man.
is blue. All the back of it is blue. Yeah.
I think it's a
Yeah,
hard
that's
top,
sweet.
right?
It was a
Red
convertible.
top?
Red top.
That is sweet.
Y'all going on cruising the coast October the 6th. On the Gulf Shores, Mississippi. They had over 10,000 cars registered last year. I'm gonna drive down.
Heck yeah.
I
That's
got
sweet.
38,000 in this car here. I always drive my car.
38,000 miles.
60.
I'll show us the top here.
How many were these with the blue interior?
277. In the 2016.
Oh, heck yeah.
Blue top.
That looks so good.
And you can put the top up going under 30 miles an hour. Up or down.
Oh, while you're rolling.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. That's awesome.
And you can put the top down with the remote.
Navage. Only Navage uses suction to flush out your sinuses using refreshing saline, helping you breathe easier, sleep better, and feel healthier. And here's even better news. Navage is now available at your local Sam's Club in a great new value pack.
The motor on this Z06, we looked at this one earlier. Oh yeah, that's pretty damn clean in there. Looks
We're
awesome.
made for better things than rheumatoid arthritis or already.
Heck yeah.
Xelgens.
Celine. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. There's an oldie Chevrolet. It's pretty sweet too. Oh, I gotta go over here and check out the Acura. Gotta see the Acura. Heck yeah. That's pretty sweet. Pretty cool little engine layout in that. Number 827. That's pretty dang sweet. But that thing will scoot. Yeah. And out of all the cars that showed up, the Generally is finally here. That is awesome. Heck yeah. That's awesome. I'm glad you hit that horn one more time, man, just for my video.
I do a little bit. All the time.
That's awesome, man.
Thanks. Do all kinds of crazy stuff with it.
So did you build it, man, or did you buy it like that?
No, I bought it.
That's badass.
Yeah, I had a guy build it down North Carolina for me.
What that run you? A good bit, I figure.
I've got 40 in it.
No, that's really not that bad, man.
It was a good buy.
We still want it.
That is sweet.
So you still watch it?
Oh, all the time.
That is beautiful.
That is awesome.
Yeah, I'll have to show you guys that. I don't think we've ever watched any episodes of that. You've got to see it.
Yeah, we were out here the very first show this spring.
So the two brothers that take turn. Listen.
Heck yeah.
Hey. Two brothers.
Very cool.
Driving the car. It's a younger and older brother.
Generally,
And they both
heck
basically
yeah.
drive it like a race car. Now the original one, the TV show, they have the doors welded shut like a race car.
Heck yeah.
You get in it, you have to.
So hell yeah, it was a pretty awesome day. Got to see a lot of people that I hadn't seen for a while, and yeah, it was a really good turnout. Wasn't quite as big of a turnout as the first one that I went to, but man, there's a lot of nice cars there, man. I'll tell you what, going for a ride in Andy's car, man, that turbo, that shit was wild, man. So, but anyways, I want to thank all you guys for coming along with me and checking it out, and make sure to like and subscribe and share the video if you want to. And thanks again for watching. See ya.